Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luigi's Mansion 3 co-op. To begin your two-player adventure, you first need to progress through the main story until you unlock Luigi. This typically happens after the second boss battle, when Professor Egad introduces Luigi as a new ability. Once unlocked, you can activate Luigi at almost any time during gameplay. This allows a second player to join in and control Luigi's gooey doppelganger, making ghost hunting a team effort. Activating Luigi for a second player is quite simple. While playing as Luigi, just press the right control stick down on your Nintendo Switch controller. This will summon Luigi, and a second player can immediately take control using another controller. Luigi can walk on spikes and through grates, but he is vulnerable to water and fire. Remember, both players can work together to solve puzzles and defeat ghosts, making exploration much more engaging. In co-op, both Luigi and Luigi are essential for success. Each character can use their Poltergust G00 to vacuum up ghosts and interact with the environment. Many puzzles require both characters to cooperate, such as one holding a door while the other passes through, or simultaneously activating switches. Luigi's ability to pass through obstacles like fences and grates opens up new pathways, allowing the team to reach hidden areas and collect more treasure. Effective teamwork is key to mastering Luigi's Mansion 3 in co-op. Always communicate with your partner about your next moves and puzzle solutions. Remember that Luigi can withstand more damage than Luigi, but he melts in water. If one player is defeated, the other can revive them by simply walking over to their fallen character. Working together, you can overcome even the toughest ghosts and challenges the haunted hotel throws at you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.